So lying on our backs in Shavasana, feet shoulder width apart, allowing the toes to fall to the outside, hands and arms slightly away from the body, palms facing the ceiling. Eyes gently closed, face nice and relaxed. Belly gently rising and gently falling as we breathe smoothly in the nose and smoothly out the nose. Getting ready to go into a deep relaxation. Before we start fully relaxing, we're going to tense our whole body. So as you inhale now, lift the legs and arms 6 inches off the mat. Tense all the muscles in the body. Lifting the head, tense the face, tense the shoulder blades, tense the biceps, triceps, make fists with the hands, point the fingers to the toes, and exhale, drop everything. We'll do it one more time. Inhale, lift the legs, arms and head off the mat. Tense everything, your buttocks, calf muscles, feet, point the fingers to the toes, squeeze, squeeze, exhale and drop. Landing in roughly the same position you were in before the Shavasana. Trying to keep that position that you dropped into, although you can make small adjustments if you need to. And now we'll take 3 full yogic breaths. So we'll be breathing into the stomach, the chest, and the collarbones, or the top of the lungs, filling the lungs completely. And then we'll be exhaling completely from the stomach, the chest, and then the collarbone. So together, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Breathing in your own rhythm now. Allowing your breath to become more natural, slower, and meditative. We will now move through the body, relaxing each body part systematically. So follow my voice and repeat to yourself silently. I'm relaxing my toes, my feet, and my ankles. My toes, my feet, and my ankles are nice and relaxed. I'm relaxing my shin bones, my calf muscles, and my knee joints. My shin bones, my calf muscles, and my knee joints are nice and relaxed. I'm relaxing my thighs, my hip joints, and my buttocks. My thighs, my hip joints, and my buttocks are nice and relaxed. I'm relaxing my lower back, my upper back, and my spinal column. My lower back, my upper back, and my spinal column are nice and relaxed. I'm relaxing my abdomen, my stomach, and my chest. My abdomen, my stomach, and my chest are nice and relaxed. I'm relaxing my fingers, my hands, and my wrists. My fingers, my hands, and my wrists are nice and relaxed. I'm relaxing my forearms, my elbows, and my upper arms. My forearms, my elbows, and my upper arms are nice and relaxed. I'm relaxing my shoulders, my neck, and my head. My shoulders, my neck, and my head are nice and relaxed. I'm relaxing my face. I'm relaxing my forehead, my eyebrows, and my eyes. I'm relaxing my ears, my cheeks, and my nose. I'm relaxing my jaw, my mouth, and my lips. I'm relaxing my teeth, my gums, and my tongue. My face is nice and relaxed. I'm relaxing. My body is nice and relaxed. I'm relaxing. My mind is nice and relaxed. I'm relaxing. Relaxing.